Welcome to July's Market Update, brought to you in cooperation with this sponsor. Let's take a look at residential real estate activity in your area during the month of July. The number of active listings was up 5% from 1 year earlier and down 10% from the previous month. Even so, buyers still enjoy a greater selection of homes today than they did 1 year ago. As you can see, the median listing price for the month was just under $100,000. Compared to last year, the average number of days that units spent on the market before being sold was up 88%. This higher number of days may signal a slowdown in the local inventory turnover rate. The median sale price was just under $90,000. The number of units sold increased 22% year over year and decreased 21% month over month. Higher year-over-year figures indicate that more buyers have been finding what they're looking for. Thanks for watching. We hope you use this information to make smart, informed decisions in your upcoming real estate transactions. Feel free to contact us for more information or further assistance.